In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank in Gusto. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you are signing in as an admin, because the banking and billing options are only available to users with the right permissions. Once you are inside your account, look to the left-hand side of the screen, find the button or menu area that shows your profile or your company name, and click it. This opens up your account and company options, where you can manage important administrative settings. After you click into that area, you should see a section for settings. From there, select Plan and Billing. This is where Gusto keeps the tools related to how your account is set up for payments and payroll funding, including the bank account that Payroll will use. On the Plan and Billing page, scroll down toward the bottom. As you move down the page, look for the section labeled Add Bank Accounts. This is the part of Gusto where you will connect the bank account that will fund payroll and related tax payments. When you are ready to add the account, you will typically have two options. The first is connecting with Plaid for an instant connection. This is usually the fastest method because it links directly through your bank login flow and can verify quickly. The second option is manual entry, which uses test deposits. Manual entry can take a little longer, but it is useful if you prefer not to connect instantly or if your bank does not support instant verification. If you choose manual entry, enter your routing number and your account number carefully, then select Save. Double-check the numbers before saving, since a small typo can delay verification and payroll processing. Next, complete verification if you used manual entry. Gusto will send 2 small test deposits to your bank account. When those deposits appear in your bank transaction history, return to Gusto and enter the exact 2 deposit amounts to confirm that you own the account and that the details are correct. Once the bank account is connected and verified, your payroll funding setup is complete and your payroll is ready to make schedule. That covers everything you need to know.